whole thing, just a check.
Or your head, I'll hold it.
Maybe I'll let you do.
There's something about Pecker and holding.
The camera got all gun shy right off the bat. It's like you never done it before, you fucking little
I was
boy.
nervous. You're an older man. I don't know how to deal with that.
You're still a pecker. Yours will be too,
How
something.
did I say to Todd Saturday? Your fucking scrotum hanging down to your knee yet? That's how you tell age.
Nope.
It ain't your dick hanging, it's your scrotum.
It's your sack hanging.
Yeah, your sack's hanging down to your knees and you know you're old.
It's all about the angle of
Hope
the
you ain't
dangle.
got the voice on it, Gary. We're on the internet talking about sacks and scrotums.
Oh, Nick holding Bill's Peter.
Now he's holding beer.
Do you think these are long enough, or we need to put extended? Gary said we could extend them if you wanted. I feel like that's too long.
I think one more deer might be our limit up there.
Watching you.
You only got room for
It's mainly YouTube video.
I mean, we could slide those four closer together. We could fit a few more on there.
Yeah, I should blow a little bit. Yeah, right there, a little bit. Not much.
You hung this.
Rob, we get out there and do some pull-ups.
You guys do realize you're like not straight under that, but you can literally take a bar to that other beam and weld it and be done.
What?
And what is
Straight
it?
up. Or you could do a triangle up top to that other mount right there, the actual building itself.
Could we really? Where the fuck were you when we were doing this?
You could have done that, and that would take 50% off of that. At least. I don't know. I was on the phone with Josh and Skip, so technically I was here.
Well, the next thing is how much you wanna hang up there? You wanna hang 14 tractors from the fucking thing.
No, Gary, you plan on hanging any tractors?
Might need a bigger wrench. You're gonna hang these tractors.
See engines coming out of some bitch here and blow on.
You know what I mean? You just take that other one.
Wayne, you're up.
I know, I'm always up. Up the ladder. Up for walking.
Up, and away!
What do I need, Josh? You don't wanna know.
I ain't talking about your sexual needs, I'm talking about your needs.
Up,
You're there. Go
up
up.
there.
It'll go up.
You gotta lift a little.
It ain't all the way up.
Down.
Okay, down.
Still driving the fucking truck. Still driving the fucking truck. All right. One left.
Oh,
Yeah, say hi.
Hello! Don't send that to the DNR, Gary.
Yeah, it's going to DNR.
Check that neck on there, but I think just that whole truck, I remember. You might have to like that.